Hey, what's up guys? Today's video we're going to talk about a new product, which is the magnet cleaner putty.
Focus, hang on. Focus.
It's probably the light.
Yeah, well, it's there.
Yeah, so anyways, part number 12309, magnet cleaner putty. This stuff is amazing. You've seen me use this in videos, especially when I do like the refurb on barn finds. So what it does is it actually, I mean, it is tacky, but you stick it to your magnets and it'll pull all of the debris off of them. So I'm sure a ton of you guys have, taken a old speaker magnet to the sandbox when you're a kid and it gets a bunch of iron on it. That's essentially, the car will pick that stuff up. If you've made the mistake of cleaning your track with steel wool and then you drive your slot car on it and it ends up looking like this, or the top of the magnets look like that, or it's just old like this car and the plating on the Neo magnets is coming apart. Well, there's a couple ways to fix that, and this is definitely the one that I recommend. So we're just going to kind of demonstrate how this works, and we will attack this one here. So as you can see, there's all kinds of nasty shards there. You can see they are getting picked up and getting clean. So this car, it has a can motor, so we're going to do the outside of the can. Some of the stuff on the inside, it is hard to get, but if you turn the car over, you can definitely get some of it to stick to your armature. But this works great for T-Jets, for magnet cars. You can also use it on traction mags, and too, if you just knead it around and the stuff stays in there. So it is universal, it's reusable, and it's a great way to clean up the gunk on your HO slot car mags. So you can see that piece right there. I'm sure you could use tape. I'm sure there's other things that you could use, but this method works amazing. And like I said, when you're done, you just ball it back up, put it either back in the Viper bag, or you can keep it in your toolbox or your race box. We have these all over the shop here. This particular one I've had for probably like 10 years. So it's done thousands of cars. I mean, it's done a lot of cars. Still works fine. No real reason to get another one, but super basic, super easy way to clean stuff. I mean, you could use it on any other spots of the car. It's probably not gonna like pull oil and stuff, but it definitely will clean gunk off. It's not gonna get your friggin' beard hair out of your rear axle that you claim is nylon fibers from your carpet, or who knows what other DNA sample you could get from that. But it works great. It's on the site, it's inexpensive, it's a one-time buy, and it's definitely something you want to add to your race box. So if you have any questions, or if you have another method that works better than this that we don't know about, throw it in the comments. We'll check it out. We'll see you on the next one.